Earn money with Beatopia, redefining music creation with AI-powered beats and limitless creativity. In the dynamic realm of music creation, a revolutionary platform has emerged that is reshaping how artists compose their musical masterpieces. Beatopia is leading the charge with its groundbreaking features that encompass AI-generated lyrics and exclusive beats curated by Grammy-winning producers. By seamlessly blending these elements, Beatopia is rewriting the rules of creativity, providing artists with the tools to unlock their untapped potential and create music that resonates deeply with audiences. Key features of Beatopia. 1. AI-generated lyrics. Tackling the age-old challenge of writer's block, Beatopia's AI co-writer offers real-time suggestions for phrases, words, and rhymes. This continuous flow of creative inspiration helps artists overcome roadblocks, igniting fresh avenues of imagination and producing lyrics that strike a chord with listeners. 2. Hot beats by renowned producers. The soul of music lies in its beats, and Beatopia recognizes this. Through the platform, musicians gain access to an exclusive collection of beats meticulously crafted by producers who have collaborated with the industry's A-list artists. These high-quality beats infuse compositions with unique sounds that captivate from the first note. 3. Freedom through subscription. Breaking the shackles of pay-per-track models, Beatopia introduces a subscription-based approach. This liberating model opens the floodgates to a diverse array of beats, empowering musicians to explore a plethora of tracks across genres, styles, and artistic directions without any limitations. 4. Unrestricted licensing. With each track, Beatopia grants an unlimited license, affording users complete freedom in utilizing their creations. From the creation of viral content to the energy of live performances and the storytelling prowess of music videos, artists can confidently share their work across various platforms. 5. Customization with WAV and stems. Individuality is celebrated on Beatopia. Every beat comes with professionally mixed .wav files and 5 stems, multi-track, allowing musicians to tailor and arrange compositions according to their creative visions. This level of personalization elevates compositions from good to extraordinary. Monetizing the platform. Beatopia's innovative features offer avenues for sustainable revenue generation. 1. Subscription plans. Offer tiered subscription plans that grant access to various levels of features, beats, and customization tools. 2. Exclusive beat packs. Introduce premium beat packs that users can purchase for their compositions, expanding the range of sounds available. 3. Premium features. Provide advanced features like higher quality exports, collaboration tools, and enhanced AI capabilities through premium subscription tiers. 4. Collaborations with producers. Collaborate with producers to offer exclusive partnerships and beat collections, benefiting both parties. 5. Musician resources. Offer educational resources, workshops, and tutorials on music production and songwriting for a fee. Unlocking creative potential. Beatopia goes beyond being a mere music creation tool. It's a creative ally that transcends boundaries. Through AI-driven songwriting assistance and access to top-tier exclusive beats, Beatopia empowers musicians to push the limits of their craft. Seasoned artists can discover new dimensions, while emerging talents find a world of possibilities at their fingertips. With Beatopia, the journey of musical creation evolves into an extraordinary exploration of innovation, propelling artists to create something remarkable. For more AI apps and tools-related videos, kindly subscribe channel.